We humans, who are relatively small and lightweight, have shown our incredible ability to create and build things that are millions of times bigger and heavier than us. It's truly impressive, and we must admire the engineers who made them possible. Let's now explore the top 10 largest machines of all time that are beyond our imagination. These machines are so gigantic that you might have to walk quite a distance, maybe even a kilometer, just to see them fully. So, let's get started. At 10, we have Bella's 75710. If you're working on a construction project or need to move large amounts of material, you'll require a hauling truck. But for really heavy loads, you'll need the largest one ever made, the Bella's 75710 by the Belarusian company Belaz. It's the haul truck with the highest payload capacity. The truck itself weighs 500 tons and can carry an additional 500 tons of material. It's over 67 feet long, 32 feet wide, and 27 feet high, with a wheelbase spanning over 26 feet. To make this massive vehicle run, it uses a Siemens MMT 500 drive system powered by two MTU 16-cylinder 4-stroke diesel engines. Each engine produces 230 horsepower. With this power, the 75710 can reach a remarkable top speed of 40 miles per hour. Even when fully loaded on a 10% incline, it can still maintain a speed of up to 25 miles per hour. At 9, we have the Prelude FLNG. Shell launched the Prelude FLNG in 2013, the largest offshore facility ever built. It's over 1,600 feet long, 240 feet wide, and made of more than 260,000 tons of steel. With 5 times the water displacement of an aircraft carrier, it costs around $13 billion. Designed for the Prelude and Concertio gas fields off the coast of Australia, it has 16 seabed-driven steel piles that keep it secure, even in severe weather. It started operating in 2018 and can extract 110,000 barrels per day of liquefied natural gas, condensate, and liquefied petroleum gas. The platform's immense size ensures long-term production from these valuable fields with an expected lifespan of 25 years. At 8, the Antonov AN-225 Mriya, the world's heaviest plane ever constructed, surpasses even the largest aircraft often seen at international airports. Built in 1985 as a Soviet solution for transporting the Buran spaceplane, it stands out with its immense size. Its 276-foot-long, 60-foot-tall behemoth boasts a wingspan of 290 feet and 6 powerful Progress D18T turbofans generating 229.5 kilonewtons of thrust each. With a maximum weight capacity of nearly 1.5 million pounds and a top cruising speed of 500 miles per hour, the Mriya was initially mothballed after the Soviet shuttle program's conclusion, but found new purpose in delivering supplies to relief organizations and carry colossal air cargo like wind turbine blades and heavy generators for power plants. At 7, we have the Typhoon Crane. As ports worldwide deal with larger ships and heavier loads, they need advanced technology to handle them. In Zhongtai, China, at the Yunti Roffel shipyard, the world's largest crane was built for both cargo handling and assisting in constructing future supercruisers. This crane, known as the Typhoon Crane, can handle loads weighing up to 20,000 tons. It holds the record for the 3 heaviest lifts ever accomplished by a crane. Initially, it was designed to install modules onto ship hulls that were constructed elsewhere. With its immense size measuring 393 feet wide and 436 feet tall, the Typhoon Crane can meet the most demanding requirements with its impressive 262-foot lift height. At 6, Schwerer Gustav was a terrifying weapon created by the Nazis during World War II. It holds the record for being the largest rifle weapon ever used in combat and the heaviest mobile artillery ever built. Weighing a massive 1,490 tons, it was transported on a train car and could fire enormous 7.7-ton shells up to 29 miles away. The Gustav was 155 feet long with a barrel length of 106 feet and required a crew of 250 people in 3 days to set up. It had incredible firepower, firing up to 31-inch rounds at a muzzle velocity of 2,700 feet per second. It was only used effectively once during the Battle of Sevastopol, where it destroyed an underground munitions depot. German troops later destroyed the Gustav to prevent it from falling into enemy hands. At 5, we have a Komatsu D575A Super Dozer. The Komatsu D575A is the biggest bulldozer you can find, and it's incredibly powerful. It's the favorite choice of machinery at surface mines in the US, Canada, and Australia. This bulldozer measures 38 feet and 5 inches in length and stands 16 feet tall. It's capable of moving a whopping 125 cubic yards of material with each pass and can dig up to 7 feet deep. To achieve this, the vehicle relies on a 12-cylinder 4-stroke diesel engine that generates 1,150 horsepower. Due to its massive size, it can't simply drive itself to a new worksite. Instead, it needs to be taken apart and transported on up to 8 trucks before being reassembled at the destination. At 4, the Large Hadron Collider. To explore the mysteries of the universe, scientists needed advanced equipment in addition to their knowledge of physics. This led to the construction of the Large Hadron Collider, or LHC, which allows scientists to confirm the existence of a mysterious particle called the Higgs boson. In simple terms, the LHC is a large machine used to accelerate particles at high speeds. It can shoot protons around a 17-mile tunnel close to the speed of light. Electromagnets line the tunnel to control this process. The LHC is the largest machine ever built and has been highly productive. Since its opening in 2010, the 7 detectors in the LHC have achieved their goals and even surpassed them. There are plans to build an even larger collider to continue answering the questions raised by the LHC's discoveries. At 3, the Seawise Giant, launched in 1979, holds the record as the largest ship ever constructed. Primarily built as a supertanker, its immense size of 1,504 feet prevented it from navigating through the English Channel, the Suez Canal, and the Panama Canal. When fully loaded, it displaced over 650 tons, submerging its hull up to 81 feet underwater. Initially, plagued by vibrations that led to the client rejecting it, the Seawise Giant underwent modifications to address the issue. Equipped with 46 crude oil tanks, a colossal 230-ton rudder, and a 50-ton propeller, it achieved a top speed of 16.5 knots, or 19 miles per hour. Though it faced various ownership changes and even sank during the Iran-Iraq War in 1988, it was salvaged, repaired, and remained in service until its scrapping in 2010, as smaller and swifter vessels proved more cost-effective. At 2, we have Bertha Tunnel Borer, playing a crucial role in replacing the Alaskan Way Viaduct in Seattle after the 2001 Nisqually earthquake. Instead of building a new road above ground, they decided to dig a massive tunnel under downtown Seattle, connecting the southern and northern parts of the city. This resulted in the State Route 99 tunnel, which is 2 miles long and capable of accommodating the 110,000 vehicles that use the old viaduct daily. The challenge was finding a machine big enough for the job, so they created Bertha, the largest tunnel borer ever built. Weighing 6,700 tons and with a cut-ahead diameter of 57.5 feet, it was constructed in Japan, shipped to Seattle in 41 parts, and assembled at the tunnel entrance. Despite delays, Bertha successfully completed the project by April 2017. And finally at 1, we have the International Space Station, or ISS, is an incredible achievement of human design and collaboration. Although not the largest machine ever built, it stands out as one of the most remarkable. Launched in 1998, it's the biggest among the 11 space stations that have orbited the Earth. With its modular structure, new components have been regularly added. Spanning 239.4 feet in length and 357.5 feet in width, the ISS serves as a platform for scientific research on microgravity and the broader universe. Notably, it holds the record for being the fastest moving vehicle that humans have ever inhabited, circling the Earth every 92.68 minutes at an astounding speed of 17,100 miles per hour. To put it into perspective, that's faster than a flight from New York to Sydney, Australia, taking just 35 minutes. And that ends our journey through the incredible world of the 10 biggest and heaviest machines ever built. From massive vehicles and powerful dozers to huge cranes, these machines have pushed the boundaries of human engineering. If you want to explore more fascinating content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Heavy Machinery, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload.